Okay, well this is a quick review just to see how loud this Home Depot bucket head shop vac wet dry vacuum is. I've been on a search for a quiet, cheap little shop vac, and that seems like that's never going to happen, but let's see. Hoping to find something that will be, 75 decibels or less. And let's just read the sound levels. So about 53 when I'm not talking. And let's see how loud it is. Alright, well, in the high 90s and approaching 100 when you're really close to it. Not too surprising, but it wasn't as annoying as I thought it would be. So that's kind of nice. It has like a lower range to it, but still a bit loud for what I'm looking for. Anyways, take it easy. Maybe next time we'll find the one that works.